Welcome to Bytesector. Today we're going to be doing another classic unboxing on the channel. This time we're going to be taking a look at the Pixel 3 from Google. To start out, I know the Pixel 3 is now 6-ish months old. Certainly not a new product on the marketplace, certainly not a new cell phone, definitely not part of the 2019 flagship lineup. But it is still a relevant phone today. It's still great for your photos, it's still great for a whole bunch of applications, and it's not slow, it's not sluggish, it runs the latest version of Android. It's definitely worth your consideration, and that's why we're going to be reviewing it later on the channel. Today, we're just going to take it out of the box and see how it's packaged, what it comes with, and how great it looks in person. Google also sent us a case to make sure that we protect the loaner. We'll take a look at that in a second. So, the Pixel 3. Definitely a nice, hefty box, sturdily built. Not a light box either. For a phone that doesn't weigh that much, I think it's 140-ish grams, this is a heavy box. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's the Pixel 3 in its box. I'm gonna take the cover off here. This isn't the first time this box is being opened because I'm not the first person to review this Pixel 3. So you'll notice it's missing some of the plastic and everything else. As we've grown accustomed to, the phone is front and center when you open the box. Just a black slab of glass which looks beautiful against the white. Pop this out. Google puts a little hole in the back here to make it easy to remove the phone without having to, do this. So we'll pop that out of this. We'll discard that. There's your Pixel 3. Looks beautiful on the front. Not much to see. We got the white version, so we've got this lovely green accent button on the side. It's worth noting that the bezel is a light gray, the back is white. Beautiful transition here. I can't tell you how nice this is. This top little section is glass, the rest of it is a premium coating. The transition between the two is seamless. The only thing that tells you there's a difference there is texture, which is awesome. The fingerprint reader in the center, you've got your rear-facing camera, your flash. I believe that's a laser focus, I'll have to verify. On the top of the phone here, we've got a microphone. Nothing on this side. We've got our Type-C charger on the bottom. On the bottom, they've also put the SIM card slot, which is a deviation from last year, at least on the Pixel 2 XL, where the SIM card slot was on the side of the phone. And then obviously our power button and volume rocker. So we'll stick that off to the side. Next up, we've got our documentation pamphlets and stuff like that. It looks like our SIM ejection tool is here on top as well. And then what else do we have in this bundle? We've got our SIM ejection tool. Limited warranty. A hashtag Team Pixel and Google logo, stickers, and then a Let's Get Started manual. All useful things, certainly stuff that I will not be using because I am not a new or first-time Pixel user. Next up, we've got a little bit of a deviation from last year. This next package here, this is something that I wish that Google included in the Nexus devices, in the Pixel 2. It took until Pixel 3. Here it is. We have Type-C headphones. Thank you, Google, for including headphones in a device. We need it, because frankly, not all of us want to go out and spend 20, 30, 40, 50 bucks on a pair of headphones so that we can use our phones and listen to music without having to go wireless. Love it. Pulling one out here. They are in-ear headphones. They're looking pretty standard. I'll have to see if I try them on, because as I said, this isn't I'm not the first person to review this phone, and for sanitary and health reasons, I'm not sure I want to stick these in my ears. But we'll see. On the bottom here, we have our Type-C charge cable, standard. We have a Type-C to Type-A USB connector. Certainly Google includes this with the intention of you using it to transfer data from your previous Android phone or from a Microsoft phone or an iPhone. I found it most useful for hooking up USB storage to the bottom of my phone to be able to copy files to or from my phone. And yeah, that's what I used it for. Also over here, we have our Type-C to 3.5mm audio cable. Google included that with the Pixel 2 as well. Nice to see that they didn't get rid of these accessories. And then at the bottom here, we have our charging brick. So we have a charging brick, pretty standard. Looks exactly the same as we got with the Pixel 2 last year. Just looking at the power specs, the output is 5 volts, 3 amps, or 9 volts, 2 amps. Certainly good for the high power charging. We'll set that aside. And then, as I said, not the only thing in here. I'm not sure this is by design though, because it doesn't come out easily. In my box, possibly because it's a used review unit, but I've got a second Type-A to Type-C adapter. So we'll stow that back where it was. That is all that you will find in a Pixel 3 box. Not much to say. It's nicely packaged. Google did a good job, as always, putting this together. Very happy with it. It's sturdy. The packaging is great. It's straightforward. If you need stuff, it's right at your fingertips. If you don't need stuff, you just move it off to the side and move on and get to the good stuff. So there it is, repackaged. So there you have it. There's a Pixel 3. Now, as I said, they sent us a case as well. It's an official Pixel 3 case from Google. One of the things I like is that once you cut the seal on the bottom, it slides out. It's like a little drawer that you're opening to pull out your case. I love that about Google. What an attention to detail. Like, they didn't have to do that. It could have just been like a, you know, flip off the top or a shitty case like everybody else, like cardboard, you open it from the top and it falls out. But no, they did it good. Certainly a premium looking packaging, which is awesome. I guess that goes along with the pricing. And then the case is just kind of stuck to the packaging, a little like Pixel 3 cutout so that it stays. There's the case. It looks nice, feels nice. It has a very, you feel the cloth and the fabric in it. So definitely a nice case. I've heard good things about them for the Pixel 2s, so I expect nothing less. One of the nice little details is that they've color-coded the button to match the button on the white, which is nice. It's the exact same green. And we'll actually just go and show you. Exact same green. I love it. Nice little microfiber lining on the inside, which is awesome. It keeps your the back of your phone clean and protects it. And if we go ahead here and just drop it in, beautiful. That is a nice case. Good packaging, solid, sturdy. You feel like it justifies the price you pay for a case from Google. Well, there you have it. The Pixel 3 unboxed in all its glory. We'll be bringing a review to you guys later on after we've played around with the device, had some fun with it, seen what it can do, what its ups and downs are, and formed some opinions. In the meantime, you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching today's video. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs down. Leave us a comment below letting us know what we can improve for next time. But if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell beside it so that you get notified the next time we post a video. Don't forget to follow us on social media. We're on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.